Gonna do some unboxing. This is the Guardians of the Galaxy Groot alarm clock. Are the batteries included? So we have a instruction manual. There's a little Groot. He's holding it, and he's got a little thing. What's the matter with today? I don't know how this works. Oh, instruction manual. Duh. Okay, set time and date. Press and hold record button until the clock. Okay. I'm gonna see something, don't worry. I need batteries? How do I open it? Oh, I think this is it here. This is a gift from my mom. Okay. Press and hold the record button until the dock display flashes. Okay. I mean, I'm holding the button like it says. Is it even real? Okay, set. Okay. It says the same thing on both sides. Okay, wait. Eject button. Okay, eject button. Alright. Shit. Okay, here we go. Eject. I don't even see a slot for the batteries. I am Groot. Holding down this button. If you guys see a glow, let me know in the comments. But I don't think so. I cannot figure this out. Okay, well, that's the end of the video. Goodbye. I am Groot.